in an emergency. In the unlikely event of a loss in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the panel above you. Pull the mask down fully to start the flow of oxygen. Cover your mouth and nose with the mask and secure it by pulling the elastic strap over your head. Then help any children and fellow passengers who require assistance. The area outside the lavatories in the lower deck is also equipped with oxygen masks. After putting on the mask, sit on the floor and hold on to the handrail. As the number of oxygen masks in this area is limited, no more than 10 people may wait here at one time. Waiting on the stairs is also prohibited. There is a life vest at every seat. In first class, you will find your life vest under the armrest. In business class and in premium economy class, it is also stored under the armrest. In economy class, your life vest is located under the seat. If instructed to do so by the crew, pull your life vest over your head. Pass the belt around your waist and fasten the clasp. Then pull the belt tight. Just before you leave the aircraft, pull the red toggle to inflate the vest. If necessary, use the red tube. The signal light lights up automatically in contact with water. This flight is a no-smoking flight, and smoking is strictly prohibited at all times while on board this aircraft. Personal electronic devices may be used also during takeoff, provided all transmission functions are switched off and the device itself can be stowed easily at your seat. Please listen to instructions from the crew if you wish to use the device once we reach our cruising altitude. The use of transmission equipment and remote-controlled toys is forbidden for the entire time you are on board. For information on which electronic devices are allowed, please check the Lufthansa magazine. In addition, we ask that you please read the safety instructions which you will find at your seat. For further information, please consult the Lufthansa magazine. Your cabin attendants will also be happy to assist you. We are now ready for takeoff, so please ensure that your table, the monitor and the leg rest is stowed and secured correctly. And make sure that your seat back is in an upright position.
Dieses Flugzeug ist mit Flynet ausgestattet. Damit bleiben Sie auch über den Wolken in Verbindung und immer up to date.